Hi, I'm Christine from House of Smocking, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the thread box with the Princess Pleater. I've designed this box myself and I think it really works really well. In the box there comes the lid. You get 2 lots of bobbins, a reel of thread, the spools or spindles, get some of the velcro and full instructions. Half fill the spools with the thread provided and place them on the spindles. Then thread the end of the thread through one of the holes, bring it to the front of the box. So just leave your threads loose for about 6 inches or 15 centimetres. If you're threading up more than 24 needles on your pleater, then you can double up your bobbins and put 2 threads and bring 2 threads through the same hole. Aim for bringing your threads in a straight line, but it doesn't matter which hole you use, but obviously it makes it neater if you bring them straight forward. If you want to use up your old threads that you've got stored in your cupboard, then the 100 metre or 500 metre reels of Gutterman fit on the spindles, and again just bring the thread through and through the hole, bring it through to the front, leaving a good 6 inches to 15 centimetres coming out of the hole. Once you've got all your threads through the holes, you can then place the lid on top of the box. Next, using this is the loop velcro that comes in with the pack, place that on top of the velcro on the box. Like that. Peel the tape back to relieve the sticky bit on both sides, like that, and then sit your pleater on the top of the box. Like that. The pleater is now fixed to the base and won't slide around. So next what you want to do is you pleat up the amount of needles that you want to pleat with. I've now pleated up 8 needles. If you're worried about the thread breaking, then what you can do is you can pull your thread, once you put it through the needle, equals pull your thread all the way down so that it's as wide as the fabric. Once you've pleated, you need the width you need, so that what happens is it goes through double. Okay. Next, I'm going to pleat up my fabric and show you how that one works. So pleat our fabric. Not very straight because I can't do it for the camera, but there we go. So what happens is you ease your pleats off the needles, and because you've got a continuous thread, you can ease your fabric all the way down, and then if you've got another piece to pleat, you can put the next piece through, and you've still got thread coming out of the box there. Once you've finished your pleating, you can pull the fabric till the thread comes out of the needles. This one's going to be a long one because I pulled it double. There we go. So now I've got my fabric, all my threads coming out there. The threads are coming from the box, so I can now cut those threads That's my pleated fabric, and my threads are ready to go for the next project. When you're ready to store your box, all you have to do is undo the handles, lift the pleater off with the lid, fold the threads over the top of the box, and close it up again, and then you won't catch your threads and pull them out. So if you want to remove your princess pleater from the box, because it's on velcro, it just lifts straight off. So this box, it's a feeder box for the princess pleater, the one that you buy from princesspleaters.com. The box is available from houseofsmocking.co.uk, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you.